Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this episode, we are starting a new series called the Body Kit series, where we will be building the body kit for the 240Z. I'm making a new series because of two reasons. One, I want to make more videos. I want to try to put out 2 videos a week. So I figured I would make another video a week by splitting up the project into 2 separate series. And that gets us to number 2. I didn't want to mix up the Dotson project and the body kit project too much because, one episode we might be doing this with the body kit, and then it might be 4 episodes until we do another thing with the body kit. And it would just kind of be too scattered and be confusing for anybody wanting to go back and look at it later on. And just if you want to, if you just want to watch the body kit stuff, it'd be easier to just watch it all in a row versus watching it spread out throughout the Dotson. So we're splitting the series. I will build the body kit in this series, and when it is finished, then we will combine it into the Dotson project. And maybe installing the body kit might be back into this series, but we'll see. We'll see how it plays out. At least for now, building the body kit, the design process, the 3D printing, etc. will all be done in this series. So the next thing I wanted to talk about is that I hit 10K subscribers here on YouTube, and I can't thank you guys enough. I mean, seriously, thank you for coming here and watching my videos. Thank you for commenting on them. Thank you for liking them. Just thank you for being here. And in celebration, I will be doing a poster giveaway here on my channel. Let me show you those. So I have lots of posters to choose from, and I will be picking 5 people to win those posters. So 5 people will be able to choose whatever posters they want. So let me show you some of them. So we got posters like this, 13 by 19. Actually, they're all 13 by 19. Oh! And then I got posters like this, like a Miata. Oh! I can't make the face. How do you, oh! I will also put up some footage of my Etsy so you guys can kind of see. You can also just go to my Etsy and scroll through and see the posters that I have available. The link is on my YouTube channel. I'll also put it in the description of this bio so you guys can check them out. To participate in this giveaway, you do have to live in the 50 states because shipping everywhere else, it's just so expensive. Unless you want to pay for your shipping, then if you're international and you're okay with paying for your shipping, then I'll give you the poster for free. You pay for the shipping, I'll ship you the poster. So happy giveaway. Thank you guys for the 10K subscribers. You guys are awesome. So happy 10K subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. This video is over now. Goodbye. I'm just kidding. We have more to talk about. I feel like an executive in this swivel chair. I'm just swiveling here talking to a camera. Hey guys, thanks for all the subscribers. Subscribers are great. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. The next thing I want to talk about is the actual process of the body kit. So this first episode is just kind of like a big vlog about what this series is going to involve, what we're doing, why we're doing it, why I'm splitting it up, just to quickly explain. I just didn't want to start a series and start building body kit. There was going to be questions about oh, are you finishing the Dotson? Is the Dotson not going to continue? What's going on? So this is what that episode is for. I should have explained that in the beginning, but whatever. I'm still getting used to this vlog thing. I'm not very good at it. Bear with me. So in this series, we're going to be designing the body kit. So we're going to talk about the software I'm using to design the body kit. I'll kind of give you guys some screenshots and some screen recording, that kind of thing, where we'll be building the body kit with me talking in the background, that kind of thing. Yeah, you get what I'm talking about. We'll be talking about 3D printing, making the kit compatible for a 3D printer, what 3D printer I'm using, the type of filament or material that I use in the printer settings. We're then going to talk about combining the parts because they're printed in small enough squares to fit on the 3D printer, but then they have to be combined back together to make the body kit. So you can't just use friggin' super glue and expect them to all fit together when you're then gonna make the mold. And that's the next thing. When they're sanded down and prepped properly, we're going to make fiberglass molds of them, and then we're gonna make carbon fiber copies. So that whole process, I'm not sure how many videos this is gonna be. Maybe it's gonna be 10 videos, maybe it'll be 5 videos. I don't know. I'm gonna do as many as I can without making them too short and without making them too redundant. That whole kind of list I just gave you is another reason I'm making the series, is so that this series will answer all the questions you guys have about how I'm making the 3D printed body kit, how I'm taking it from a design to a physical product to a carbon fiber part, to something that can actually be used on a car. And now to get you guys psyched for the series, I'm going to show you a bit more about the body kit. So this is the full thing printed from front to rear. Each part fits on the 3D printer. This curve here was designed to go above the front bumper of the Dotson. Each piece is put together with plugs. These are the plugs. They go together like Legos. The back sides aren't very interesting, just some added support for the bolt holes. This piece kind of gives you a good representation of how wide the kit's gonna be. I've measured the front being just under 100mm offset and the rears being over 140mm offset, which is quite a bit larger than most of the other kits out for the Datsun. Some other goodies, this is unrelated to this, but still related to the Datsun. I am designing a fender mirror. This is a very rough draft, but I'll show you guys more on this later. And so that is it. More of this coming soon. If you guys want to make sure you don't miss a video, turn on post notifications, just go to my subscribe button and right to the right, click the ring bell button. So I know this video is short, but it was just mainly supposed to be an introduction to this new series. I will hopefully answer all the questions you guys have about the body kit in this series. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, thank you guys for 10K subscribers. Thank you guys, and I will catch you guys in the next one.